Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tutorial on this wavy voluminous hair that I achieved by using a flat iron. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So I start off with third day hair. As you guys can tell, my hair is a little bit greasy, but all I'm going to be doing is just detangling it with this wet dry brush that I got off of Amazon for about 15 bucks. And I'm just going to make sure that I get all the tangles and knots out before I start to go in and curl my hair. To curl my hair, I'll be using this Freida 1-inch flat iron to get some nice tight but loose wave curls. But first I'll be parting my hair using this painless scrunchie that you can find anywhere on Amazon for really cheap. And what I'm going to do is just part my hair starting from the top of my ear going all the way back. And I like to curl underneath my hair first to make sure that it's very defined and very tight curls. And then for the top I'll be doing more loose waves. So I'll just bring both sections to the side of my head, evenly on each side, just brushing it out once more time, just to make sure all those tangles are out. And then what I'll be doing is I'm going to be splitting my hair into little sections, probably about 1 inch or 1.5 inch, depending on your preference. This is what I usually like to do it. And I'm just taking this clamp brush that I got a really long time ago. I think it was my sister's that I stole, but it just really helps to get that hair tight and pulled. And what I use with my flat iron is I kind of flip it underneath, if that makes any sense. You guys can see in the video, and I just drag it down. So that's how I do the left side of my head. So I do that all the way around in the same position because I want them to all flow in the same direction. And then you'll see for the other side of my head, I'll be doing it in a different direction. So I'm done with the left side of my head. As you guys can see, it's very nice, wavy, loose curls. Now moving on to the right side of my head, we're actually going to be curling this in a different direction. So once again, taking 1.5 inch pieces, just using that clamp brush just to take out any tangles and pull it tight so everything is smooth. And then I'm going to be taking my flat iron in this way. I'm going to be pointing it downwards and kind of flipping it towards the back and then down. As you guys can see in the video, that's how I'm doing it. I know it's kind of hard to explain it in words, but hopefully the video helps you guys know which direction to curl it. So now that I'm done with the bottom section, I'm just going to take the top section down, and I'm just going to actually be splitting it right down the middle. Now that's not really where I'm going to part it in the end, but I like to do it half and half, curling each side just to make sure that everything is even. But first I'm just going to take my brush and just brush it out, make sure everything's nice and smooth once again. and then just bring everything to the front. And I'm going to be starting with my left side again, and actually starting from the back this time. So I'm just going to brush out this section, just make sure all the tangles are out, and then I'm just going to be grabbing those 1.5 inch sections, and then I'm going to be curling it the same way I did with the bottom. So I'm actually going to be leaving these front layered pieces because I'm not sure, once again, where I want to exactly part my hair. So I'm just going to be leaving both front sections about 1 inch wide on the front of both sides of my hair, and then afterwards you'll see me part it in the way that I want it to. So as for the right side of my head, you're going to be seeing me curl it just towards the back and downwards, pointing the flat iron downwards, as you guys can see in the clip. So now that I'm done curling the rest of my hair, I'm just going to part it where I like it. And I like my hair to lay more onto the right side of my face, and I like the left side to have not such a deep part. So I like the part where it is right now. So this little section that I have on the left side of my face, I'm just going to curl like the rest of my hair, and I'll probably put it behind my ear when we're all done. And then the right side of my hair, I'm just going to curl like the rest on the right, so everything can blend together. So once I'm all done curling, as you can see, all the curls are really tight and not separated, but I'm actually going to leave them to sit there for about 10 minutes. You just want the hair to cool down, because in that way it'll actually set the curls so they won't fall out as easily and just become really straight. So it's been 10 minutes and I let my hair cool down. Hopefully the curls will stay very tight. And for this front part where this front layer is, I just like to brush my hand through loosely just to separate the curls. And then I'll take my wet dry brush and just brush softly throughout all the hair to help them all blend in together. And I'll also take my brush and kind of curl it in the way that my hair curls, just to keep that form of the curls in each direction to make sure that the curls stay in place all day. So after I brush through my hair, I just kind of play with it to lay it how I like it. You can add hairspray or a dry shampoo to this step, but I will be washing my hair tonight right after this, so I decided not to. But in a normal case, that's what I would do so the curls don't fall out. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe down below. And so you don't miss any upcoming videos from me, please hit that notification bell down below as well. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.